Jingle bells jingle all the way. Oh, what a time to have some fun.
All right, let's go. Okay. Wait, just give me one word to start with.
Christmas.
Christmas Day, gang. Who's excited?
I am.
So today, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to have, it's kind of like the fastest Christmas lunch that you can pull together 3 bird style. And it's about having, you know, things on your menu that are easy, they're not too hard. You can socialise with your mates, socialise with your family. I can have a wine with you while I'm cooking, you know, it's easy.
We're left out the wine.
You'll be over near the microwave.
I shall.
But it's about having an easy, breezy, fun, enjoying yourself kind of Christmas, and that's what the menu's about today. But there's a slight little twist on that Australian seafood. You know how we do seafood so well in Australia?
Yeah.
Slight little twist, and it's just a little Mediterranean twist to go with the rest of Christmas.
And we've even got the limoncello on
Oh,
standby.
you know what? Well, this. Do you know who this is from? This is from Ron Dog. Ronnie from Carrera by Design. He knew we were doing Christmas today, so he said, while we're cooking, should we start off with a shot? Or is that way too early after a coffee?
Yeah.
All right, so I think we conquer and divide today.
It's divide and conquer.
Sorry, we'll stick to seafood. And then if we
We're the salad girls?
Yeah, you're the salad girls.
Okay.
They don't trust us. They don't trust us. They don't trust us with the heat.
All right, I'm getting serious,
Yeah, I
girls.
was going to say, you're
I'm
not cooking in a jacket, are
No,
you?
I'm actually cooking and have a go at this little baby.
Sorry.
I think that there's a couple of these if you girls all want to wear one. Can you do it so it's special, Lou? Okay, all right, let's get to it, gals. Thank you, Lou. Thank you for that. All right, let's get to it.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to start. Yeah.
Hey, hey, come and look who look what I've got over here. It's not a recipe.
Oh, hello!
Hi!
How you going?
I'm missing you guys. I can't believe I'm missing our Christmas lunch.
Do you like cooking? Not really. I know the answer to that. That's why I
Yeah,
asked.
she set you up.
I like prepping. I like prepping and serving.
Well, that's.
See what
You know, it would have been perfect because I like cooking. You like serving, and again, I'm not sure what Lana's doing.
I shall be dancing.
I cannot wait to see what you produce, Fawn, with everyone's assistance.
Yes, you'll just have to wait and see.
Bye, babe. Bye. And we all know that the best way to start a Christmas day is with a coffee. So I'm going to be making some coffees for the girls using our DeLonghi La Specialista Arte machine.
It is today.
Okay, so Lance, you're going to use this unbelievable dinosaur by design. Have a go at this.
Dinosaur Designs?
Yes. Okay. So let's start again. So Lance, you're going to use this little baby. You're not actually going to use them there for moi. For her pasta.
Oh, okay.
But we'll get you some new ones.
Okay.
So this is your, look at that. Is that not stunning?
Love.
Absolutely stunning. Okay, so fennel salad, really, really thinly sliced, okay? So get rid of all the brown bits. Then we're gonna cut up the orange into little segments. We don't want any of the white on the orange. We just want the little segments.
Yep, like a wedge, little wedges.
Yes, little wedge. I'm gonna chuck that in there. Once we've done that,
Sorry, with the skin?
No.
Oh, I think they're like oranges at a soccer match.
Sorry.
Half time.
no.
No.
Okay, so you're just going to literally roughly cut up some tomatoes. They're going to spread the whole entire way across. We're then going to pop the burrata, which is just here.
Yep.
That's going to be kind of pulled apart on top of it. Salt, pepper, olive oil, some basil on top, and that's literally it. It's like the easiest salad in the
I
history.
really can make that one. I really can. I think I still don't understand what's happening with the skin.
Now, you are just lobster, garlic, butter. Yeah, I don't need to say anything to you. And I'm doing a prawn, garlic, chili with parsley, a little bit of white wine, a bit of lemon, pasta.
So making this bit off here.
And now, people, if you are wanting the recipe to any of these, which you may not, but if you do, it'll all be on our website.
Okay, I've got a Christmas poll. If you were doing a traditional Christmas with a Christmas Day ham,
Yes.
do you A, serve it cold, or do you B, serve it warm?
Cold.
A cold.
Warm and glazed. Yeah.
Never serve me cold Christmas ham.
Well, I wasn't planning to.
And I've got to be careful that I'm not like doing my concentration face. Now, a little cheat way, because I like to cook everything pretty much as quickly as I can, is I just go to the fish market and get the pre-done garlic prawns.
Wow. Yeah.
And then they're just so much easier. I still add garlic and I still add chili to the dish, but they're ready to rock and roll.
And how much do you have there, Bon, for like the one pasta dish? Is that half a kilo or?
I usually do a kilo, but today I'm doing less because the pan that we have is really small.
My fan. All right, let's do this thing. Give that to me.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
I think I need an apron. There are the
Yes, in the drawer. Oh, that's colour coordinated and everything, that one.
These are gorgeous oranges, blood red oranges.
Yeah, aren't they beautiful? So you're actually doing that salad as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Gosh. Well, you look the part.
I
Anything?
do. It's something.
Yeah.
All right. So how did you get the skin off?
I'll show you. And then you just cut it into little squares like that.
Did she really ask that?
She did.
Get
Like
it out.
I returned and the skin had been removed and I missed how she
So
did
I just cut it into quarters.
She needed an apron
And
for
I'm just going to go around it like this.
I've never seen that in my life.
Right, just to get the skin off. Slice it. Slice, slice, ready to go in the salad.
Oh, okay, I'm going to do this one.
Yep.
Let's just watch. Nearly good.
Yay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. That's a nice orange, isn't it? How it goes from orange to blood orange.
Beautiful.
Well done, Lance.
Beautiful.
I can do the oranges.
All right, so it's already pre-cooked, the lobster.
Easy.
So we've just got the dishes, and then I just literally slice them in half, lay them out, so there's 4 there, and then drizzle the garlic, parsley butter on top. Right, you got it? Oh, shit.
She just cut me.
Did I really?
She just cut me.
Oh, did I really?
Look at that blood.
Are you bleeding?
Okay, Lulu, I've got my first aid kit ready to go.
I don't even have Band-Aids at my house. I'm not kidding.
Bonnie doesn't believe in Band-Aids.
No.
We've discussed this before.
Yeah.
She thinks her kids just need to get over it as they bleed to death.
I'm going to put one on the
If
back
you
for
need
you,
a
Lulu.
Band-Aid though, it's not really a cut, is it?
That's a cut and it needs a Band-Aid.
If she just had toilet paper, like if she just literally had toilet paper and went like that for like just, hold it, it would just go away.
Did you just cut chili?
Oh, sorry. Well, why don't you get the limoncello shots out? Should we have one of them first?
Limoncello shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic.
Go down.
Put it, like not on a really, really hot heat, but just enough to kind of melt everything through. All right, you go. Go. I'm just cooking up some.
Time to have some fun riding on a sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We're dashing down a snowy
We don't have to shot these. You can just sip on it like a civilised person, you know.
Thank you.
Cheers, ladies. Here's to Christmas.
Cheers.
Ooh, right.
Oh,
Amazing.
Merry Christmas.
Because it is actually nice, but it does burn my esophagus.
Yeah.
Just let that burn off.
Look at it go. Look at it go, everyone.
And then, guys, that's pretty much it. And you add the pasta straight from the pot.
Oh,
That's clever.
looks amazing.
Smells amazing.
And the key to this one is, you've got to go, guys, it's Christmas lunchtime, sit down. Because the worst thing you can do is eat this cold. It needs to be eaten now.
Do you know I'm actually inspired? I think I'm going to do this on Christmas Day.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I
easy is
know.
it?
It's
You
a
can
really
do
big
it.
deal. I just all of a sudden thought how tasty Christmas would be versus just the cold ham.
All right, well, should we take it outside? Let's go eat.
We're going to get our little lobster.
Oh, lobbies! Where are our lobbies?
The main feature. You can't
They're in
forget
there.
about our lobsters.
All right, you grab your salad. Everyone
grab
grab their own
these.
salads.
Well, that was my
Lou,
salad.
you need some tongs
kind of
on
my
your
salad.
own.
Yeah, well, I think it's kind of my salad.
joy you can feel through the town. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. The bobtail pulls a jolly crew riding on a sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun, oh, what fun, oh, what fun it is to
And is there anything better on Christmas Day than a PAV? The good old Aussie classic, the PAV. And we're using the Kenwood Patissier to do that. It has preset functions, so you literally press a button. It's like baking for dummies, which is ideal. First step is to whisk the egg whites on a low speed. All right, and literally watch this. All right, now we've just pulled the meringue out of the oven. She looks fabulous, fabulous. But this is the fun part where I actually get to decorate with all this. All right, so cream in a bowl. And then we're gonna use a hand whisk, and Candace has this, look at this. Oh, sorry, I'm so blind I can't see the holes. Okay. Oh my God, I really can't see them, hold on. All right. All right, there we go.
That's unlocked.
Are you sure it's locked?
That's locked.
It says locked. It won't work. It doesn't work, so it's locked.
Are we sure this is on?
How do we use
Yes, there's a red light. Oh, honestly, day one, this PAV.
here?
Did I do it?
I did
Oh my God! Yeah, Red.
it! This is a button, and this is a button.
What?
Oh, they're bloody buttons! That's a button! You see? That's a bloody button!
No one told us.
Jeez!
All right, mixing time. This is It's not a big enough bowl. Whisk the cream. We need to use the pop-up PowerPoint. Okay, all right. So it's time to whisk the cream. We're just going to use Candace's pop-up PowerPoint.
Are you ready?
I can't see it. Hold on, just let me focus. Okay, I've got my Braun electric whisk. Let's give this.
You can feel through the town. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So what we've got today is we've got some mango, we've got some blood orange, some kiwi, passion fruit, and just some decorative flowers. And pop the decorative flowers on last because they will get squashed by the rest of the fruit.
All around the sparkling sound.
Floral time! And you can buy these now at your local fruit markets. We've got them kind of everywhere. And that is your Christmas PAV.
The spirits with fun being had all around. The sparkling
Well, what a day. And Candace, thank you so much for having us in your home.
That's my pleasure.
Thank you.
And thanks, guys. I love the food. I'm going to cook that exact meal for my family.
Are you
It's so
really?
easy. Yep, I certainly am.
Oh, I'm really happy to hear that. It's so easy, and I suppose this Christmas was just about having fun and having the colour in your life and joy and happiness. So I hope everyone got a little bit of that out of it.
Oh, definitely. And you know, we really want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We hope you have an amazing Christmas day and Christmas
With
break.
your friends and your family.
Yeah, and lots of colour.
Yes.
And maybe a prawn pasta.
Yeah. An easy prawn pasta, yes.
Yeah, so Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry
Christmas,
Christmas.
Happy holidays.
I need to take this off.
Yeah.
Can you undo me?
what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun on Christmas Day.